In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I clean my home with all natural homemade cleaners that are easier on our budget and it's better for our health. And stay tuned for a major blooper.
Spin me around and around, turn me upside down. Spin me around and around, let me feel. Spin me again and again, till I'm upside down. Calling again and again, my name. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Tell me I'm the only one. I've been lost and found.
Hello guys, welcome back for another cleaning video. I hope you're going to get inspired. Today I am going to start in the kitchen because we are right after breakfast. One of my subscribers sent me this amazing Swedish rag, and the more I use it, the more I'm loving it. It's just really nice. I used to have similar ones, but I think this one is a better quality. And also to wash everything else, like all the dishes, I like to use this very cute it's not necessarily designated for dishwashing, it's supposed to wash your back, but I just cut it into 3 pieces and it gives a perfect size and it gets dry super fast. So that's what I love about it. That means it doesn't have that much bacteria in there, and also it can pick up the shape of what I'm cleaning. So unlike the sponges that are very kind of like thick and sturdy, so this one, it's easier to shape whatever I want to wash, something like this juicer that has a very tricky shape. So I really like this, and also it dries very fast. Another favorite staple is this stainless steel scrubber, and I have this for years. So that's what I love about it. It's very sturdy and it can take care of the job when it's getting tough. So first I scrub my pot with that, and then I scrub that with some soapy water. Then I realized the bottom, it's kind of like it needs more attention. So I used some citric acid on it and I just scrubbed it again. And just keep in mind, this pot is over 21 years old pot, so that's why it looks like that. But compared to that, I think it looks really good. Since we bought this little oven, I've been using constantly non-stop. I haven't used the big one, maybe twice, but mainly I'm using this one, and you can fit 2 big huge casserole dish in there. So it looks small, but actually it holds a lot and it warms up faster, so we can save some with our electric bill that way. And then also what I find, it bakes nicer than the big one. I keep all of our breads in the freezer, so we just warm up in this little oven and we make toasts in there. I mean, this just does everything. We don't have a microwave, but this is basically almost the same size as the microwave, so we just put it into the place where the microwave would go, and it's very convenient because I can just put things in there on the level where I don't have to bend over, and it's fairly easy to clean. Yeah, that's the main part. Is one of the things that I don't like to wash, that would be the oven. So this smaller one is the better because there's just less surface to scrub. When I clean the sink, first I like to start with washing the grid, and I like to use this brush. I have this for years, and it's a fairly soft brush, but it actually does such a great job, especially in the corners. And since it has a handle, I don't have to work that much with my muscles because I can just, scrub it easier that way. And I used some dish soap mixed with citric acid, and I find this very effective with the hard water and all kinds of sorts of heavy duty dirt. So this is my favorite mix besides the baking soda. I love the baking soda that is mixed with some essential oils as well. So sometimes I use that, sometimes the citric acid. I just rotate between the two. One of the best choice that we made when we remodeled this kitchen is to choose the sink that is not as deep, but it's wider. So if you, right before renovating your kitchen, I really love this sink. It's just easier on my back, and it's just very easy to wash the dishes, even if it's a big pot or a casserole dish. I just really love this sink. I'm starting a very quick reset in the bedroom. That means I'm going to open the windows, well, for the short time, maybe for 10 minutes, because it's really cold lately over here. And I'm going to fix the bed as well. Tidying up a little bit, I'm putting away the things that we left out. A quick reset in the closet as well. So I'm putting away the pajamas and the shirts that I left out. bought this fireplace in the springtime and I'm so enjoying it just as much as I imagined. So I can turn it on and it can give some heat, but if I don't want to have any heat, I can just look at the fire, so it makes this space more cozy. Please don't fall in the toilet.
So you need 1 egg. Ich have 2 of them.
Yep.
So 1 egg.
Okay, 1 egg.
It says
Or. Okay. 1 teaspoon. What can I say? After that, I needed to step away for a little bit, and all I can tell, this camera survives everything, even including me. So that's a good feedback if you wanted to get one. And for now, we're just going to bake with Max because accidentally I wanted to buy actually the actual cookie, but accidentally I bought the one that we have to prepare. But actually I was very happy ending up with that because we had a great time to bake it together.
Guys, like my fingers.
Oh no, that's gonna go into the cookie. That's not good.
Don't wipe my hands like that.
No. Okay. Change of plans.
Wow. Good. Hot though. Wow. Hot, hot.
Okay, so these jars, I want to say a huge thank you to one of my subscribers. Thank you so much, Suzanne. She sent me a check a while ago and I just ordered the jars. She sent that to me to buy some jars, and I just want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. This is really makes me happy, and I'm going to wash these and I'm going to put some food in there, some dried goods, and I'm very relieved they are not broken. So they are happy and healthy. So these are the same jars that I have in my pantry, and I needed 4 more because it just wasn't enough with the variety that I use, and I just love the size and quality. I love the La Parfait jars as well, but 1, it's pricey, 2, they are very heavy, but I really like the fact that the lids are attached so I never lose them, But this one actually, it's very easy to open and close, and compared to the size, it's really not as heavy because the top is plastic. And also it comes with this huge rubber band and with this cloth that I love so much. So I treasure these. I use this as a napkin, but it's a very nice quality. But it's really nice to use this around in the kitchen, but originally it is for making kombucha, which I used to make, so it was fun to make. Maybe I should do it again. It's really fun. But anyway, so this is what is that for. Getting ready the jars, I'm going to wash them in the dishwasher. I'm going to hand wash the lids, and also it's almost lunchtime, so I'm going to warm up some leftover spaghetti. We have this table since the springtime, I think, and so far it's been so good. I really love this table. It's very sturdy. The price was amazing. It's from IKEA and it was $699, so it's almost $700, which is a very good price for this such a sturdy, huge, giant table. And we do a lots of things. We do board games and just having dinner with friends. It makes it easier. For next, I'm going to do a little bit of an organizing. So I have this from IKEA. I just painted white the little drawers, and I have some itty bitty things in there that I like to use in the kitchen as I'm drying things. That can be a brush or this pack and seal packages. This is an amazing system. I love to prepare the food and I can suck out the air and I can reuse them. So this is the way I like to dry them. My new jar is clean and dry, so it's ready to be filled up, and I'm going to put some tapioca starch in there which is very challenging even with this funnel because it's just such a fine powder, so it goes everywhere. So be careful when you fill it up not to breathe in. I like to label the jars for my family because I can easily recognize which one is the tapioca and the other kind, but my family has some issue with that. So I like to label them so it will be easier on them. Our girls are still working hard. We are getting so many eggs from them. So whenever this basket is full, I just wash them and I put them into the refrigerator so they will be ready to be used. And this is a very convenient way. I don't have to wash them one by one, and it goes very quickly, so we use them up very fast. We have a very deep refrigerator, and I bought these, I don't know if it's just a long storage kind of, but it works like a drawer, so that way I can pack the refrigerator until the end, but I get to see what I have, so it's very easy to just grab the whole thing if I need the eggs, or I can just grab one if I need. But it's a good way to organize. It's been very practical. Whenever I have some leftover that it doesn't fit into the jar or the box, I'm just going to use them up. So that's what happened with the eggs and the tapioca starch. I'm just going to mix it and it's going to be ready for the tomorrow morning breakfast. And the bags will be used as a garbage bag in a garbage can. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!